We are as excited as you are about our latest offering, the MG Aster, India's first SUV with personal AI assistant and autonomous level 2 features.
At MG, we have always given all our customers a complete assurance package right from our first offering, the MG Hector. Similarly with Aster, My MG Shield will offer our customers over 180 options to personalize their package as per their requirement. Aster will come with the standard 333 package, which is 3 years of unlimited kilometers warranty, 3 years of roadside assistance or RSA, and 3 labor-free services. To further enhance the standard offering, we also have an option to extend the plan up to 4 years and 5 years. In addition, we have annual maintenance programs or protect plans for the MG Aster. These range from 3 years, 30,000 kilometers, and go up to 5 years, 50,000 kilometers at a very reasonable price.
Oh, so that's great, Gaurav. So you said more than 180 options. So do our customers have to decide on everything while buying the car?
Not at all. Customers will have a choice to buy and customize their plan anytime between 1 year of their purchase or 10,000 kilometers. That's the power of My MG Shield, giving flexibility to our customers.
So this leads us to another great aspect of MG Aster, cost of ownership. As you would know, Hector has the lowest cost of ownership in its segment. Similarly, we have worked out an entire package for the Aster. The cost of ownership will be just 47 paisa per kilometer. This is another great offering which will make the MG Aster a very compelling purchase.
Wow. Hector also has the best resale value or buyback value in its segment. And based on this experience, we have a very attractive 3-60 program for MG Aster. Under this, customers will be offered a 60% buyback value at the end of 3 years or 45,000 kilometers. This program is offered by our partner, Car Dekho, and customers can buy this at a very attractive price.
Just a few weeks back, we shared our vision of car as a platform, where software will be a differentiator, and the car will be a platform for a host of services. With that, we introduced our first set of partners, Jio, Park Plus, MapMyIndia, and CoinEarth, to start with. Aster owners will have a whole host of first-in-industry services and subscriptions to choose from. Details of these two free and paid services will be announced in just next few days.
Now, safety is the foundation at MG. Like all other MGs, Aster is also loaded with many standard safety features. In fact, many of these features are first in the segment and best in segment. The safety features will include electronic stability program with traction control system, hill hold control, hill descent control, all disc brakes, front and rear, ISOFIX child seat anchor, rear 3-point seat belts, and many more. The Aster will come with 27 standard safety features and will go up to 49 safety features depending on your choice of the variant. At MG, we have also given always the power of choice. Aster will come with 3 interior color schemes, the Tuxedo Black, the Dual-Tone Iconic Ivory, and Dual-Tone Sangria Red, based on the variant you choose. Now, with all this talk about the variant, let's also reveal now the impressive variants we have on the MG Aster. Our first offering is Style. The Style variant is feature-loaded and comes with many first-in-segment offerings from design and functionality perspective. In addition to the 27 standard safety features, the other features in Style will include electronic power steering with 3 steering modes, premium leather layered interiors, LED projection headlamps, LED daytime running lights, auto AC with PM 2.0 filter, rear defogger, and many more. So as you will notice, the MG Style is indeed very well loaded. Our next variant is called Super. Some of the additional key features included in Super are the R17 silver alloy wheels, reverse parking camera, LED tail lights, roof rail with satin silver silk finish, front fog lamps with cornering assist, electric parking brake with auto hold, which comes in the automatic transmission. Now moving on, we have the smart variant. This includes best in segment and industry first features like personal AI assistant or talking robo, which we have shared earlier. Digital key using Bluetooth technology. With this, you can not only start the car without a key, but can also drive the car without the key with you. iSmart with 80+ connected car features. Heated outside rear view mirror, ORVM. And many key features like the push button engine start-stop with smart entry, 7-inch full digital cluster, side airbags, PU leather seats, cruise control, auto headlamp, and many more. And now moving on to our top-of-the-line offering, the MG Aster Sharp variant. Adding to all the features of the other variants, Sharp is further loaded with many more segment-leading features. Of course, it will have the personal AI assistant, but adding on to the list are the panoramic sunroof with 90% coverage, rear drive assist, red brake calipers, which is exclusive to the 220 turbo engine option, 2 choices of R17 alloys, which is turbine-inspired and dual-tone machined, curtain airbags, 360-degree camera, 6-way power-adjustable driver seat, rain-sensing wipers, and many more. The ADAS with autonomous level 2 features will be available as an optional pack in the 220 Turbo AT as well as in the VTI Tech CVT transmission for the Sharp variant.
That's a great lineup. Now let me share with you how you will be able to get your favorite MG Aster. The bookings for MG Aster will start on October 21st, and you can book by visiting our website or dealerships. The best part is you don't have to wait till October 21st. You'll be able to pre-reserve your Aster starting today. Now you must be wondering when we will start the deliveries. We all know the current global situation around the shortage of components such as semiconductors and chips, due to which deliveries remain a question mark. At MG, we have always believed in complete transparency, and in an attempt to serve our customers better, we are expecting to complete 5,000 deliveries, around 5,000 deliveries in the calendar year 2021. And the momentum will continue in 2022. And now, the moment we all have been waiting for, so let me set the context for the pricing. So the pricing in this segment generally ranges approximately from 10 lakhs and goes up to 18 lakhs on an ex-showroom basis. And the MG Aster with many segment-leading features, as just Gaurav described, the VTEC MT variant and the other things. So I'm telling you the price now. So the MT variant will start at 9.78 lakhs. And the CVT variant of this engine will start at 12.68 lakhs. And our 220 Turbo AT variant will start at 15.88 lakhs. So now let's have a look at the summary chart, which includes all the variants with prices. These are very special introductory prices for the first batch of deliveries. We welcome you to visit our showroom or website and experience MG Aster. And thank you very much for joining us today.